Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the garage. Today we're gonna be installing this. You might ask, what the heck? What the heck, bro? Yeah, it is a 3D printed air filter for the interior of the Del Sol because we don't have them in the Del Sol. Other regions in the world, they have them. Here in America, they're like, we don't need air filters because we don't care about you. I'm sure that's what they said. Don't quote me on that though. But I found this on eBay. Had it in my wish list slash, yeah, eBay has wish list, right? I think so. Or is that Amazon? I don't know, whatever. But this is from SStellar3D, which he hopped in our Discord server, which is great. Valued member of the Discord community now. But yeah, he 3D printed this. Pretty dope, actually. Now, I will say that I don't particularly like all the lines on there when I first got it, you know? But then I remembered, I'm never going to see this. Literally, you're never going to see it ever unless you swap it out. So it doesn't matter what it looks like. And I just had to remind myself, I was like, that's why I like resin prints better. But for this particular case, I don't care. But I'm a perfectionist like that. So still really, really nice, honestly. And it comes with just maybe filter floss, I believe is what this is. And how you take it apart is you just screw this bottom part from the top part, and you can swap out this after X amount of months. Who knows? I don't know, whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to get this installed. Now, preface for the vlog. My car is not running. As you can see, I am redoing everything again. Legit, it's all torn apart. I was doing Skylar Labs handles. I was redoing some insulation in here. It's a hot mess, but doesn't matter. Also, when I install this, my air and heating system is not hooked up. I'm gonna sneeze. Good Lord. It isn't hooked up, so I can't turn it on and be like, there's no air coming out. I can't feel the heat. Oh, it smells so much nicer. No, I can't do any of that. I just want to show you how you remove the AC heater blower motor and how this sucks right up into there, and then you reinstall it. So that's a very short vlog. I thought this was so cool because I've never seen this for our cars ever. Like legit, this is the only one. So yeah, let's do it. Also, next preface for the vlog. There's a lot of shit, as I said, happening in here. I had my ECU all out because I had to turn on the car last week to get all the windows rolled down so I could mess with all this stuff. But so what we have to do is, here is, and I hope you guys can see this, here is the AC heater blower motor. We just have to pull this out, beep, just like that. So I'm gonna use this really teeny tiny little screwdriver. I think, if not, I'll get a larger one, but I think this will work. But you just got to get those screws out, and then I think, as you guys are fucking aware, there's just no goddamn room up here ever. So let's see if we can get this out without losing all the screws here. Did I drill this screw in? Jesus Christ. There we go. Okay. Okay. Two 2. Look at us. We're making progress, folks. The other one, I can't see, but that's fine. Okay, now I'm upside down. Now I'm upside down. Somehow. Oh, sure. Yeah. I see it. Okay. So you guys see way up in there. You know, I don't really know if you guys can see it because I can't see what I'm filming, but I think it goes up there. So give me a sec. No, it doesn't make me nervous. Oh, you twist. Ah, got it. Shove it in, twist. That's what you do. All right, great. Well, okay, now I got to get out of here. You see, this is how I installed it. And that concludes the install. Can you, oh, whoa. Okay. Let me show you here, folks. Let me show you. This will be great. Okay, so I got my airbag out. So you can see it right there. Won't you fucking look at that, guys? Look at that. There it is right there. That's pretty dope. I like it. I fucking like it. All right, well, I better take some photos for the gram, for the fucking Instagram. All right, so now the all-important step. It isn't, but you just have to reinstall those 3 screws back in, and literally that is it. That's the install. Really simple. Like I said, my apologies on not being able to turn on the heat and or anything but my blower motor and AC cooling system, as the motor is out of the engine at the machine shop right now, will not work. But I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought it was a really cool project. But other than that, we're almost on to the new year, so real exciting stuff, and looking forward to making some new vlogs in the new year. So hopefully it's more engine stuff. So all right, guys, I just thought this was cool. SStellar3D, great product, cool idea. I really like it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.